This time we're going to look at graphing, but we're going to use the intercept method. So that's what we're going to do for this one. Okay, here we go. Step 1. We're going to take 7x take away 2y greater than or equal to 14, and we're first of all going to say x is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, we've got 7x take away 2y is greater than or equal to 14. So that means we've got 7 times 0, and you know that that means that that is 7 times 0 is just going to disappear. So we're going to have this, and we're going to do it equal to 14. So y is equal to 14 divided by negative 2, and if you get your calculator out, that's going to give you negative 7. So your first point is going to be 0, negative 7. So that's step 1. Step 2, we're going to now have y equals 0. What's that going to look like? Well, we're going to have 7x take away 2y equals 14. Well, we know here that the 2y is 0, so that's just going to leave us with 7x equals 14. So x equals 14 on 7. And if I just move that up, that means that x is equal to 2. So my next point is going to be 2, 0. Now I've got to plot those 2 points, so that's step 3. Oops, I'm just going to shrink all that down and move that up. I think I can. Okay, so now step 3 is I've got to graph those. So here we go. Can draw my axes in. Just doing them fairly roughly. We've got x and a y. My first point is 0, negative 7. So that means it's 0 on the x. So that's 0 on the x. But I've got to go down negative 7. So let's count with me. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. And remember, they've got to be equally spaced. So there's negative 7. My other point is 2, 0. And that's 2 on the x and 0 on the y. So 0 on the y, but 2 on the x. And so that's that point there. Next thing I've got to do is draw my line in. And there it is. And because our original function, can you remember what it was? Our original function was up here. Oops, let's see if we find it. There it is, 7x take away 2y greater than or equal to 14. Let's write that down here. 7x take away 2y greater than or equal to 14, because it's greater than and it's pointing towards the right, I colour in towards the right. And there it is.